Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to reset all NissanConnect service to the default. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's open the settings icon right here at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings, then you will find the following list of settings. Let's select here the NissanConnect services right here. Let's just tap it. If you tap NissanConnect services, you can use one of the following services. So now all you need to do is find and select here the reset all NissanConnect service settings to default. Let's just tap it. If you would like to confirm it, let's just tap yes. So let me do it, and that's it. Now the car is initializing NissanConnect service settings, but you will be able to use it in the default states. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.